Yo, what's up? What's up? This is Jonathan Belcher, internet marketing and life coach here. In this video, I'm talking to those makeup artists out there. Much respect to you, much love. Before I go into the topic at hand today, I want us to start off with our daily affirmation. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. How does it go? I am rich. I am financially free. I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved. Let's say it one more time, I am rich, I am financially free, I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved. I believe if you say that simple affirmation every day when you wake up, before you get started on your day, you will be blessed. So family, let's go right into it. Let's talk about some things. Let's talk marketing. We're going to talk marketing in this video, and I'm going to get into some specifics having to do with the way you can cultivate a true fan base if you're a makeup artist out there using the power of YouTube. Some people, a lot of people I should say, aren't going about YouTube the right way, and this is why their subscribers don't consistently grow every single day. When you're going about YouTube the right way, your subscribers grow every single day. And the reason why that's very helpful to your brand, the reason why that's very helpful to your business if you're a makeup artist out there, is because the more people listen to you for what you or watch you to see what you have to show them, the more authoritative you become in your niche, the more credibility you gain in your niche. You know, it's kind of like creating a name for yourself in a sense. And the more authoritative you become in your niche, the more people flock to you to work with you, the more people flock to you to become customers, the more people flock to you to buy a product or a service. And this is how it works. People don't understand how powerful YouTube is. Literally every day, there are, I believe, millions of videos being uploaded to YouTube. So you may be having the mindset like, how do I get seen? How am I going to get discovered through this, it seems like a big, gigantic world on YouTube. How do I get discovered? The thing is this. That's the beauty of it. The beauty of it is that YouTube is getting so much traffic. It's getting so much people on it every single day searching all kinds of things. There's more than enough abundance. There's more than enough traffic. There's more than enough viewers for all of us. And that's the beauty of YouTube. There's more than enough traffic. There's more than enough abundance. There's more than enough viewers for all of us. And when people become a fan of something, when people like a certain thing or they want to buy or become a part of your team in a certain thing, they don't just have to buy from only you. You know, there are fans of multiple different people within the same niche. So the key is to become an expert in your niche, to learn the ins and outs of your niche, to get well educated on your niche, to be well versed in your niche, so that now when you present your makeup to the world and you show your clients how beautiful they look, people know you know what you're doing. They know right away, immediately, damn, this person knows what they're doing. I gotta lock arms with them. I gotta get started with them in business. I want to be on their team. I want to be a part of their movement. That's what the thought that people have. You know? So YouTube, the thing about YouTube is that even if, the beauty of it is that even if you don't, let's say, get ranked on the first page of YouTube for around a certain keyword, because YouTube is a search engine. That's all it is. Google is a search engine. That's all it is. Google owns YouTube. They're both search engines. People are searching for things that they need. People are searching for things that they want. People are searching for things that they want to learn every single day, all throughout the day, every day. And there are different keyword families. Keyword families meaning that there are different keywords pertaining to a specific niche. So if you're in a niche of makeup, there's literally millions upon millions of people per month searching for things having to do with makeup. One of the biggest industries out there, cosmetics and beauty, is one of the biggest industries out there. So there's such a vast army of people out there. So how do you put up your net, or how do you put up your marketing poster or billboard on YouTube and be seen? That's the question. How? Well, the way that you do it is that realize that there are different ways for you to be seen. Do you have to be on the first page of YouTube to be seen? The answer is no. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. will allow you a great amount of traffic if you are on the first page of YouTube or Google around the keyword? Yes, of course. But do you have to be in order to really create the client base and the leads and the traffic that you want? No. Because there's something called suggested videos on YouTube. I don't know if you've ever watched a certain video having to do with a certain keyword, having to do with a certain niche, having to do with a certain sector. You're watching this video, and on the right-hand column of that video, you see other videos having to do with a similar thing. And when you're watching this video, we all as researchers, I know for me, I can't speak for everybody, but I know for me, when I'm researching something and I find one article or I find one video, I don't just stop there. I kind of want to become well-versed in that niche, so I'll go watch another video and another video having to do with the same thing and another video. And sometimes I'm just doing it for sheer entertainment. And then another video, and I'll watch another video. So when I'm watching this video, I'll look on the right-hand column to see the suggested videos having to do with this video, and I'll go click to the suggested video. And then when I'm watching that video, then I get new suggested videos again. Then I click on the next suggested videos. Then when I'm watching that video, I see no more suggested videos on the right again. Then I click, and then it keeps on going. It's like a web. So you say, how does that help me, my makeup artist business, John? It helps you because if you learn and you position yourself around a certain keyword, around a niche, and you give content talking around that keyword and that niche, people will discover you. People will discover you. People will discover you. So the more keywords and the more things having to do with your niche that you talk about and that you convey and you share your education on the topic, maybe you're doing a tutorial, maybe you're doing a live showing of you doing a woman's makeup or a guy's makeup, whatever it is, the more keywords you're aiming for and the more keywords you get done talking about a certain YouTube video, people will just find you and find you and find you and find you and find you, and you won't even know where they're coming from. You won't even know how they're finding you. But they're finding you from the seeds that you're planting. They're finding you from the work that you're putting in. They're finding you from your consistent posting and uploading to YouTube around a certain niche. You know what I'm saying? Now, there are ways, like Google Keyword Planner, for example, that provides a way in which you can see how much searches a particular search term or keyword is getting per month on average on Google and YouTube. There are tools that will show you that. And in my YouTuber Celebrity Pro training course, that's exactly what I teach you how to do. From keyword research all the way up to off-page and on-page search engine optimization so that you can constantly be found over and over again for your makeup stuff. Because that was the first strategy that I mastered when I got online. That was the very first one, was the ranking of the YouTube videos. But the thing is, you do have to be consistent with that. You know, even if you decide that, you know, you're going to do 2 videos a week, or even if you decide you're going to be 1 video a month. I mean, sorry, 1 video a week. 1 video a month, I don't think it's enough, to be honest with you. You know, to really create that traction that you want, 1 video I don't think is enough. But let's say you say 2 or 1 video a week. Well, you can keep that schedule where you know where you're posting 1 or 2 videos every single week. And what's going to happen is, as you're building a subscriber base, those people are literally like your audience of people. It's like your own network of people who are growing and growing and growing. And they can't wait to see when you post a new video again. They can't wait. What is she going to talk about today? What is he going to talk about today? What are they going to show me today? And people get excited because they want to hear the information. They want to see what's going on. Not only do they get excited, but they want to buy. They want to be a part of what you're doing because it's moving. It's moving and it's moving and it's moving. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe below. Hit the button below to subscribe. Also, hit the bell. Hit the bell so you can be notified immediately whenever I make videos like this. I would appreciate that. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is making sense. Drop a comment below. Let me know. I want to hear it. Is there anybody on YouTube who you follow? Do you see why YouTube is very, very powerful for branding and marketing? Let me know if ranking videos is something you want to learn, because I'm putting together an army of people right now, an army of people who are turning their passion into a paycheck, who are becoming able to quit their jobs. Some of them have already quit their job. So I'm putting together an army of people. But you got to have what it takes. You know, you got to be willing to learn. So the suggested videos is another way you can be seen all day long. And the more videos you put out there around the topic that you love, the more you're going to attract the people who love the same things that you love. If you love makeup and these people are finding you, they're going to watch every video you put up having to do with makeup. You know, this is how it works. Like, YouTube gets billions of searches, probably like a billion. I think damn near a billion of searches a month as a whole, because it's a search engine and people are searching for things they need and they want every single day. But the question is, have you positioned your business? Have you positioned your brand in a place where they can see you and feel you and relate to you? Have you done that? You got what it takes. You got the power. You got the juice. You got the knowledge. You got the talent. You got the gift. Show people. Let the light shine. Let the light shine. It doesn't matter if you're a Mary Kay or not. It doesn't matter if you're just a generic makeup artist. The reason why I'm preaching and teaching this stuff to you is because the makeup artist industry is a booming. It's booming. It's booming. Literally booming. Like I said, it gets more subscribers than what I do. It gets more subscribers than what I do. It gets more attention than what I do. So, you see, I'll never forget it. I once heard this saying from a rich man. A rich man was talking about how to become rich. And he was like, yo, John, you know, the rich man will always be able to see opportunity where everybody else sees none. The rich man will always be able to see opportunity where everybody else sees none. The rich man will always be able to see opportunity where everybody else sees none. So, I'm presenting to you an opportunity. YouTube is an opportunity. So it's an opportunity. That's all it is. The only way an opportunity creates the results is when people take advantage of the opportunity. But nonetheless, it's an opportunity. That's objectively an opportunity. I think so many people out there just second guess themselves. You know, they have the thoughts like, who would want to watch me? Who would want to see me put on makeup? Oh, I don't think I'm that interesting. Well, those thoughts are the reason why you ain't able to level up your game. You ain't able to level up your money. You ain't able to level up your income because you already have thoughts of lack on the very onset of the opportunity. You know what I mean? I'm trying to show you how to put up the billboards and the advertisement to what you're doing so people could come to you ready to get started, ready to get their makeup done, ready to get your service, ready to go to your website, ready to check out your testimonials, ready to see your your clients and the work and how you've helped them become beautiful. This is so important. So important. You know what I mean? Like, YouTube is so phenomenal when you really, really think about it. Like, there's so many people who your voice can be heard. So many people who didn't have a voice before. There's so much talent out there. And if it wasn't for the creation of YouTube, we wouldn't know about this talent. We wouldn't know about so much great minds out there. We wouldn't know about some of the makeup artists that we know. You know, because it goes hand in hand with branding. That's the thing. But there is a certain way to go about it. It's not just, oh, just upload a video and just expect people to just automatically just come to you every day. There is a method. There is a strategy you can go about posting your YouTube videos in a way where people can find you. You know? And it's very important that you're consistent even still. You got to be consistent. You got to be consistent, because the more consistent you are, you're casting out. It's like going fishing, right? When you go fishing, you cast out, and this is not, maybe I shouldn't use maybe I shouldn't use fishing, but it's similar to it, because it's like you're casting out a net, and the more nets you cast out, or the more, I should say seeds, because I like to go to that analogy. The more seeds you plant, the more seeds you water, the more of a great harvest and a great garden you're going to have in a couple months. It's just a law of nature, baby. It can't escape it. The law of nature says the more seeds you plant, the more your harvest in your garden is going to be very fruitful. No pun intended. No pun intended. Or maybe it is a pun intended. I don't know. But what I do know is that the more seeds you plant and the more you water those seeds, the more you're going to have a harvest for your business, for your clothing. I mean, for your makeup, for anything. Anything that you're doing. Anything. Really and truly. This is just about turning your passion into your paycheck. You know, so you can live the life that you want and potentially quit your job if you don't want to be like them out there. You know, those people out there who are limited believers. They don't believe in themselves. They don't want to do business. They're closed-minded. We're not going to be like those people, because those people don't never level up in life. You know, you got to have a certain open-mindedness to you if you want to level up. It's very important. So that's what I have to say without further ado. You know, Check out the links in the description below. But I'm gonna see you at the top. I wish you the utmost prosperity, the utmost abundance, and success in this life. In this life. Interesting. In this life, I'm gonna see you later. Peace.